City Series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree.
What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. I just got these Georgetown Jordan 6s, currently scheduled to release Saturday, September 3rd. So as usual, we're going to take a close detail look at the shoe from all angles. After that, I'm going to put them on feet and step around them so I can see how they look on feet. Then I'll share my opinion on the shoe and discuss release and reselling predictions and all that stuff. So let's get right to it. I really like the suede on these. It's nice and soft. It's not quite as soft as it looks, but it still feels nice. Got gray laces, and you can't really tell as much on camera. I can definitely see it better in person, but the gray in the laces and also on this part right here is slightly different gray from the, than this gray where the suede is. But it doesn't look bad. It might actually look better than it being all the same gray. Navy Jumpman, lace locks in navy with the gray Jumpman. And that's how they look from the front. Now, in most cases, I'm usually not the biggest fan of the ice blue tint on the translucent part of shoes, especially on the soles. But for these, I think I actually would prefer this icy blue sole over a clear sole, just because of the way the colors are and stuff. In general, I would usually prefer a clear sole, but for these, I think the blue tint looks nice. Yeah, I'm really loving this suede. The only bad part about this suede is because it's like a light color, dirt is going to show on it really easily. And we don't like that. But just got to keep your joints clean. Here they are from the back. All gray on the inside, and they have navy insoles with gray Jumpman on. Y'all see what I was talking about with the blue tint on these? It's got to be the colors, because the blue tint on these is crazy. And I know I probably felt this way about certain other pairs, but it's definitely a real rare occasion, because I'm normally complaining like, why they always put the blue tint on there? But these, yeah. These needed that. Here's the box they come in. And once again, we have a Jordan colorway that has pretty much nothing to do with all the stuff that's going on this box. I mean, if you look at the, I know I've complained about this in other videos, but just in case y'all are watching me for the first time, y'all gonna hear a little bit of it now. This gives me huge Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan, 1980s, 1990s, early 2000 vibes. And these just don't really fit in with that. Like, I feel like this should be like an OG colorway box. Like, I really don't get why they be doing this. I forgot the last box they did this on where I complained about it. But, yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me. I love the box, though. I mean, this thing is crazy. Like, but it's just weird that they be putting, like, the most random colorways in it. But, anyway. Got the black paper on the inside, white paper under it. And here's the box label. Here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. Alright, now see how they look on feet.
I spit a new verse and they feeling it. Just send me a beat and I'm killing it. They talk about money, I'm getting it. Room for improvement and I'm about to feel the shit. I get so much money, it's scary. I do the transaction and count it like Dracula. Me and my hustle got married. I'm nice with the flipping, SpongeBob with the spatula. I'm busy, I'm chasing the money, ain't chasing no hoes. She know I ain't after her. But if she hit my line during my free time, then I let her ride like a passenger. She told me she fuck with the wave. I hit it, don't call her for days. I get a check, invested and flip it, cause I like to double my pay. Flexing in different ways. I'm balling like I'm at the cage. I'm really about getting this money. I do it for real.
These are fire. I like them. If y'all didn't already know, I'm a big Allen Iverson fan, so I got plenty of Georgetown jerseys and apparel and stuff that these will go with. So these are definitely a must-cop for me. I think one of the biggest attractions for me, at least, is the suede. Just real nice and rich looking. Almost like the type of suede, like they almost give me like player exclusive vibes. Like I can see them putting this type of suede on like a player exclusive. Speaking of player exclusive, they actually do have a PE pair of Georgetown 6s, you know, that they made only for the team. I don't know if it's the basketball team or the football team, but they have a pair that they made only for them, like that wasn't released to the public. And I actually like these way more than I like those. I was never really the biggest fan of those. I mean, I thought they were cool because, like, you know, I saw those before I saw these. And, you know, I appreciate every Georgetown colorway because I'm an Iverson fan. So even though Iverson has his own shoes and I could wear Iversons with Georgetown stuff, as a big Jordan collector, you know, when they make the Georgetown Jordan colorways, like, I don't feel weird wearing Jordans with Iverson stuff, especially because Iverson played in Jordans himself when he was at Georgetown. So I feel like I'm always partial towards the Georgetown Jordan colorways for that reason. Georgetown 11 lows, I wasn't really crazy about those. They actually need to make those in a high. Georgetown 3s, I like those, but I didn't cop those. The ones I held on to. But these actually may be my favorite. It's just between these and the ones, but I really like these. I think I like these better than the ones. Anyway, prices on these are pretty high right now. If you look online, they're reselling for around like $450, but we are about a month away from release. And I feel like between now and release date, those prices are definitely going to drop. Because if you know about the market, you know Jordan 6s don't really do that crazy. Certain colorways here and there do, but I really don't see these reselling for anything crazy. I don't see these reselling for any more than like, I don't know, 230, 240. The way sneakers been lately, I really feel like these are going to be more of like a 215, 220 shoe, and may get to a point where they're reselling at retail price. So as a reseller or investor, I really wouldn't waste my time with these. You may be able to make a little bit of money if you have them in hand on release day and you got the clientele to the point where you can get a lot of pairs off on the first day. Then it may be worth it, but you still probably won't be making a whole lot of money per pair. Same thing as far as investing. Being that it's a special colorway, you know, it's a Georgetown. It's a very popular school. A lot of legendary athletes have gone there. I'm sure they'll have a nice resale price in the future, but I just don't know how long it'll take to go up. Therefore, I don't know if it's worth it. Honestly, as of right now, the only shoe that I'm like super confident and invested in is Jordan 4s. There's going to be certain other colorways that I might be like, yeah, hold on to these. But for the most part, if they're not Jordan 4s, as of right now, I don't know how long this will last. This may change because, you know, it's all based on the market. But right now, Jordan 4 is probably the only shoe where I'm just going to be like, yeah, you should hold on to these right now. Like I've been saying about a lot of shoes lately, I would only go after these if you want them for yourself or if you're getting them as a gift. If you watch my videos regularly, you heard me say this before. But just in case you haven't, Jordan 6s do run big, so you may want to go a half size down on these. Like I usually wear a size 9.5 in most Jordans, but when it comes to Jordan 6s, I do fit a size 9 better. I know everybody's foot size is different, but I know for me at least, that half size down feels way better than my true size for Jordan 6s. So if this would be your first time getting them, I would say go to half size down. If this video is helpful or informative in any way, I really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in more early reviews and other sneaker related content, do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel. Just make sure you tap that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. That way when I put a new video out, you'll get notified and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody, please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.